Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you're having a happy holiday season. Today we have fruit for thought, so let's get into it and check it out. Fruit for Thought is a fun box that's kind of a lifestyle box that's based on fruits, vegetables, things that you make with fruits and vegetables. In the past, we've had recently like key lime pie and carrot cake, and it's always fun things like kitchen items and snacky things, just anything that's related to the theme. And she always does such a fantastic job sticking with the theme. When we open it up, this is what it looks like inside the box. So now let's see what this month's theme is. I'm not sure if this is this month or last month. You guys know we're behind a little bit because, you know, this is the November theme, and it is Banana Split. And this box is sent to me for review, but because we're doing the review on it, I will put a code down below, Kathrin10, that will get you 10% off any length subscription you choose. Let's see what she's done for Banana Split. Sounds yummy. That is what it looks like. And on the back, we will have the information that tells us a little bit about each of our goodies. We're going to just start right at the top. We have North Coast Candy Company, already off to a good start. Freeze-dried whipped premium taffy, Neapolitan flavored. That sounds yummy. That is what it looks like. I don't think that I've ever had whipped taffy. They look like Trader Joe's does meringues, and these look like those meringues, so I wonder if they will taste the same. You know, let's open them up and give them a sniff. I have had this box here in the house for a little while, so I'm tempted to just stick my finger in here and go ahead and taste one. What do you guys think? Oh, it smells so good. I say we go for it. We're going for it. Look at us out here living our lives. That is what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna, of course, take the bite from the chocolate end. That is delicious. Even just biting off the chocolate end from underneath, I got some of the strawberry and the vanilla. This is delicious. What does it say? This whole bag, this entire bag is one serving, and it's only 120 calories. What a treat. It's only 1 ounce because it's freeze-dried. They weigh virtually nothing. Oh, that is delicious. FYI, while I was closing it up, did I keep eating it? Yes, I did. And the strawberry is just as good as the chocolate. Wow. Shout out to this North Coast Candy Company. That is crazy delicious. And this just says it's a whole new way to enjoy the all-time favorite classic summer candy. I like this better than taffy. I don't love, because of fillings and everything else going on in there, I don't love the chewiness of taffy anymore. I shouldn't say I don't love the chewiness of taffy. I would love the chewiness of taffy, but I don't often allow myself to enjoy it. That is so good. Next out, we have from Helio Ferretti, a jewelry, what does that say? Oh, it's a jewelry tray. I think it's, this looks like a banana. That is so much fun. The best place for your earrings, necklaces, rings, and bracelets are right after long party nights. I don't know what the banana has to do with a long party night, but this sounds super fun. Let's get it out. Oh my gosh, how cute. That is so stinking cute. I will probably put this in the room that I have here for the girls. They can use it for a little tray. That is so cute. Or in the kitchen. What could you do with this in the kitchen? Because it's adorable. It says you'll smile every time you use your @Helio Ferretti banana jewelry tray for jewelry, change, keys, trinkets, and other small items. That is so stinking cute. See what I mean? She finds the funnest items, and the theme is always fantastic. Okay, next out we have, oh, soap. I think it's soap. Is it soap? It is soap. You guys know, every time I get a bar soap, I'm just giddy with joy. I love a bar soap, and this is made just for you in Australia. Waver Tree and London, Australia Ice Cream Natural Plant Oil Soap. French triple milled moisturizing soap with pure shea butter. It smells kind of like ice cream, kind of clean, kind of vanilla-y. Oh yeah, that smells lovely. Yay! I love bar soap. I don't know what about it makes me so happy. It started with the Margot Elena Tokyo Milk bar soaps that we got a few years ago, and since then I have just found a love for all special bar soaps, and that smells so good. This says, inspired by childhood memories of long-lost summers and delicious vanilla ice cream cones. Waver Tree and London ice cream scented soap is a plant-based friend. Well, we said all that without the guilt. Yeah, that smells delicious. And next out, we have a card of some sort. Oh, it says scratch and sniff. I could see that when I opened it right away. Happy birthday. So it's a birthday card. I want to scratch and sniff that so bad, but I'm going to want to use the card, so I want to leave it. I get the very light, sweetest, faint scent. I don't want to scratch it because, you know, I want to be able to use it. That is so much fun. The inside says, scratch and sniff the front of this card to smell banana split. Triple up on birthday fun. This will totally get used. That is so cute. And it is from Playhouse Productions. All right, well, that's fun. Next out, I have a Snifty scented pen. We all scream for ice cream. Try me. Well, I will try you. That's what it looks like. And it says berry ice cream scented. I smell it already. There's a little, see how it says sniff me? It must be this, the rubber part that smells. I can put my nose to it and smell the berry already. That is so much fun. This box just makes me so happy. All the items in it always make me so happy. So it's purple and it has ice cream cones all over it. And yes, this part of the barrel smells delightful. Let's see. Let me write something with it, see what color it writes, and then we'll see how scented it leaves my hands. Okay. My hand doesn't smell. It smells a little bit of it, but I was afraid that it would leave my hand so scented. I'd be like, ugh. It's just a very light scent. I think it's written in black. I just wrote Kathrin up here, and I think that that is in black. And I don't think the ink smells. Everything. I can smell the berries so strong now. I don't think that the ink has a scent. I think it's literally the pen barrel that has the scent. That is fun. That means it'll make my purse, if I put it in my purse, it'll make my purse smell good. I like that. The paperwork, always read the paperwork, Kathrin. Snifty scented products, ice cream scented pen, has a scented grip and tip that smells like ice cream. So they say the top does too. Oh, it does. So everywhere it's purple. They must have worked out a way to make that purple smell. Well, not the purple, the plastic. You know what I meant. Next we have a banana hand milk. Oh, it's a Tony Moly. I have always wanted to try this. I don't think, I have looked at this like in Ulta so many times, and I think I pass it by. I don't think I've actually ever really tried it. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. It looks, and it almost feels just like a banana. That is so cute. Well, we're gonna try it because when you open it, it looks almost like it would be a serum or maybe even a mustard. We'll just put a little bit on. Oh, it's nice and thick. It's much thicker than I anticipated it being. I wonder if it smells like, oh, you think it smells like banana? It does. It smells like BB Bats. It smells like Runts. It smells like candy banana. So if you don't love that candy banana scent, this absolutely has the scent of that candy banana scent. It's fantastic. Yeah, I love that. And it absorbed really nicely. Wow. I believe I'm going to take this banana down and set it right next to my sink in the kitchen because it will look so cute. Because I wash my hands a million times in there a day. Oh my gosh. That is so much fun. So that was the Fruit for Thought for November. The theme was banana split. And she nailed it again. It is so cute. We got this super adorable scratch and sniff happy birthday card. That is so cute. It's super cute. I'm going to say that a lot. I probably said it 20 times in this video. Helio Ferretti. Yep. Helio Ferretti banana tray. Adorable. We got the ice cream soap. Smells just like vanilla ice cream. We got this, they say berry ice cream, but it's mostly just the berry, but it's got the ice cream cones on it. Who doesn't love a fun scented pen? The Tony Moly banana hand cream. The scent is fading, by the way. It's still there, don't get me wrong. You can sniff the back of your hands and still love that if you love that scent. But if it's not your favorite scent, it does fade a lot. And then, and these were delicious, we got these North Coast Candy Company Premium Taffy Neapolitan flavored. That, actually, the way I just tucked it back in there, you can see most of it. That was a super fun box. I want to thank Fruit for Thought for sending that over. This one always brightens my day. It is such a fun box. I will put the link below along with my code Kathrin10 that will get you 10% off any length of subscription you choose. And I hope I will see you guys again really soon. I hope you are having a fabulous holiday season and take care. Bye guys.